Liver function. Liver is a big red-brown organ that lives inside your body on the right side of your belly. It cleans your blood. After your body breaks down food, the liver helps process it. Then it takes out the bad stuff from the blood. This bad stuff is called toxins. So liver filters toxins. Your body needs fuel to play and run. This fuel is called sugar or glucose. Liver is also the storage center of this sugar. It takes extra sugar in your body and saves it. When you need energy, liver sends that sugar out. This keeps your body strong for work. Liver also prepares some crucial juices. One of them is called bile. Bile is a yellowish liquid. It helps break down fat after food leaves the stomach and goes into the small intestine. This makes food easy to digest. Liver also stores other important things. It holds vitamins and iron. These things wait in the liver. They are ready when your body calls for them. Liver also helps heal and build your body. It makes proteins that help build your muscles and fix cuts. When the liver cleans your blood, it makes waste. Then it changes the waste into a safe form and sends it out of your body through excretion. Finally, liver also breaks down old red blood cells. It recycles parts to make new blood cells.